So we are ready for our trip. I have some extra water here. Rest everything is loaded up in the trunk, and we are going to go to this place. It's around 30 minutes or 40 minutes from my place. See you out there. I'm going to just say this, the vibe has totally changed. In just 10 minutes, I'm like totally out of Aguascalientes, and this just looks very pueblito, ranchito. Look at it. Looks nice, a little bit terrifying, but here we are. I just checked the group that is supposed to be organizing this, and there are people on the way. So I think I'm not the only one who is late. There are other people too.
I went to the supermarket and bought myself some things. Some cup noodles, some protein bars, banana. I had some coffee, sugar, tongs, and zero alcohol beers. I also packed myself a lunch. Had my cup and some sweet bread for the next morning.
15 more minutes. I guess 13 more minutes. Look at those nice curves. This place is really good for driving. Kind of enjoying it. Look at this. Not a single person in sight. And I can see all ranches. I see there is a small village there. After that, I'll be again like kind of 7 minutes. So I'm hoping like close to those mountains there is the dam. Nearby the dam is the camping site. Another few minutes more. Look what I found. The Volkswagen ID bus, the Volkswagen buses. I think they are going for some kind of convention, and they seem to be following my route. Let's see if they are camping at the same place. You can see 3 of them. Volkswagen buses are going to the same place that I am going. See, they're taking all the correct turns that my route suggests. This is so exciting. My next plan is to get a van, convert it into a little bit of a camper. Like not anything for a longer stay, but small stays like weekend getaways. And these buses are just the perfect thing. It has turned into an off-road kind of thing. Like not off-road, there is a road, but there is no tarred road. Okay? It's 2 more minutes and we'll be there. Oh, I can already see people camped there. So I guess this is the small lake. Let me show you another angle. There are a little bit of people there, and a lot. So this is what they call Presa San Gerónimo, the dam San Gerónimo. Let's find a good spot so that we can camp there. Start to put on the tent and everything. I don't know if you can see, but Camping Aguas has put up a sign there that this is the right place. They're going to charge me like 300, I think. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola, buenas tardes, bienvenido.
¿Aquí tenemos que pagar?
Si gusta le cobro 300
Sí.
y le entrego esta, viene el programa y en la parte de atrás vienen algunas recomendaciones.
Vale, muchas gracias.
Le devuelvo 200.
Sí,
Gracias.
gracias. Holy! Look at this place. That's so nice. Awesome. This is just awesome. Let's find a place. This is going to be perfect. I'm kind of away from everybody. I don't know if you guys can see. There are a lot of people here and I don't want to be in the mix. So I am here a little bit away, not like super close to everybody, and just backside of the car I'm going to pitch my tent. This one is coming out. I need to fix that. Inflating the mattress.
This camping place is absolutely big. There are lots and lots of cars, lots and lots of people. It stretches over a few hundred meters at least. I then decided to enjoy my sandwich, sit down and rest a little bit. The neighbors around me increased as time passed. While I was exploring the place, this guy shows up. And as the evening showed up, I made my coffee and chilled out. Got me some firewood and had my campfire going.
Water, cup noodles, prepared. I have to wait like 3 minutes and then they'll be done. My handy dandy fork. The noodles should be done by now. Yeah, that's more like it. Yep.
The next morning, I woke up and made myself some coffee and enjoyed it with the sweet bread that I had brought. With the first light of the dawn, the area was very peaceful, everybody asleep, very few people strolling. I walked around for a little bit and then I started packing up.
Picked up my tent, picked up my things. I'm ready to move out from here. The gate is locked. Let me find somebody who can open it. Look at this guy. I don't know if you can see it, but this right here, this used to be the actual dam part. So here is the water part, and this is the dam part.